Happy children, happy teachers, happy parents form the building blocks of JAIN Heritage School. With a legacy of over 15 years, the school thrives on a strong partnership built with our faculty members, our parents, and our children.
JAIN Heritage School is a place where tradition meets innovation. With a blend of academics, sports, arts, and life skill, we are into shaping the leaders of tomorrow. With a holistic approach to education, we are into crafting tomorrow's global leaders who are compassionate, courageous, and creative.
At JHS, we make sure that teaching is fun and we teach through fun learning. So all these skills, how we inculcate in our children, our structure is planned based on that. So that like a story session, we inculcate, we enhance their linguistic skills.
In our curriculum, we have designed activities in such a way that students will get connected to them and apply them in their day-to-day life. Activities like conducting experiments, where the children conduct the experiments by themselves, quizzes, case study based questions, inquiry based questions, robotics classes, circle times, and many other activities.
Our children are very small. We need all innovative ideas to improve their or enhance their all these skills. That's why we have introduced puppetry sessions, special assemblies, celebrations, activities, rhyme sessions, story sessions. This is the way we inculcate all these skills, and this is the way we teach our children at JHS.
We have created a platform for the students in performing arts where they learn different art forms of our art and culture of our country, like performing arts in Yakshagana, classical dances, vocal music, instrumental music, and so on. So this is a very wide platform created to students, and believe me, students really enjoy learning these sessions.
Sports training is an integral part of curriculum at JAIN Heritage School, and it helps the students to be prepared for future. At JAIN Heritage School, we understand and listen to the requirements of students and prepare a strategy that fits the unique needs of individuals. Meticulous planning and constant encouragement is given to students to participate in sports competitions. At JAIN Heritage School, sports training is targeted to develop overall personality and helps them to be confident in life.